Hello everybody, here's Zelda. Just figured I'd do a video showing you guys that she just got fixed. I was going to show y'all her stomach, how she just got fixed. And she's got a little bed inside. She can't get wet and can't be outside like in the dirt or nothing. It has to be a nice bed inside for probably a week or so until she goes back to get her stitches removed. She's got little pain medicines, that pain pills that Papa gives her one a day. And anytime she's ready to go outside, Papa just hooks this thing on her collar and she just jumps up to go outside if she needs to go. And if she don't need to go, she'll just sit there. She won't stand up. But here's little Zelda. This is the same one a few months ago that had puppies. So after her puppies was fully winged or whatever, and now that I'm back, she just got fixed. Papa took her to a vet in Beckley area, and they was super nice. They're all Christians over there. But here she is now. This is a little update, or a pup date. Our little Zelda. She's normally really hyper. She was hyper right before I started the video. And she was about to jump up. I had to start petting her to get her not to jump up. Normally whenever I rub her on her side like this, she'll just roll over so I could rub her belly. She loves to have her belly rubbed, but maybe just she don't feel like it right now. Maybe she just don't want to roll over. And we just put down an old comforter blanket here for her to lay on. And then some old pillows that I had in my room that was they was in my room the whole time I was gone. When I come back, they looked like they had mildew on them. So I just threw them down here for her to lay on. I don't think I actually washed them too before I threw them down here, because if I wasn't going to lay with them, I didn't want her to lay with them if they did have mildew on them. So it might look nasty and they look disgusting, but they're actually cleaned. They just sat on my bed the whole time I was gone for 2 months. But here's little Zelda, and she's got food and water over there too. I think she's not allowed to have like a whole lot of water. It said on the paper that explains like how the treatment she's supposed to have for like the next couple weeks, and it said like a small amount of water every day. So she's only supposed to have like 1 bowl of water. I think that's what it said on the paper. She's just looking at Pawpaw now, smiling. I won't show over there to Pawpaw because it's kind of messy in the house right now. Let's see if she'll show her teethers. You got some nice pearly whites. Her teeth look pretty clean to me. I think how dirty their teeth are normally shows how old the dog is. If they don't have any brownness on their teeth at all, that means they're still a puppy. See, and her tooth's just got 1 little tiny piece of brown on it, and the rest of them look all white. So I guess she's not that old. We don't know exactly how old she is because she was dropped at the house here pretty much. She was already full grown whenever she got here, so we don't really have any idea how old she is. Are you enjoying her scratching? I can tell she's loving it. She's smiling now. She's cheesing. Are you happy? You like being inside? And here's Scrappy. Of course, y'all know he's jealous as can be. Zelda's jealous too. She seen me pet him for 1 second till she stood up. Scrappy don't want me petting her, and she don't want me petting Scrappy. Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Is that what it is? I don't know about y'all, but I've always talked to the dog. Some people just pet them, but for me, I can't help it. I just talk to them like they can understand what I'm saying. Because they act like they understand, so. If they act like they understand, you might as well treat them like they understand. Sometimes she'll be wandering around the house. She'll just be walking through the house, and I'll always pat on her bed here. I'll tell her, lay down. I'll tell her, come on, lay down. And she'll lay down just like this. Come on, lay down. Good girl. Good girl, her lay down. So she knows what lay down means. And she's not allowed to lick on her stomach either, where it's got the stitches, and she keeps trying to lick on it, but we have to tell her not to lick on it, and she listens good. Every time we tell her no or to stop, she'll stop doing it. I guess that's all for this one. I just figured I'd show y'all a little pup date on Zelda, and just so y'all know that she's been fixed now. Cause I know when we did the puppy video, there was a lot of people that was mad in the comments saying that she should have been fixed already, but that's not our fault, because whenever she got dropped on us, how was we supposed to know that she wasn't already fixed, for one? And it really wasn't even our responsibility to have her fixed at that point, because she had just got dropped on us, and we wasn't even like fully set on keeping her. But then I guess Pawpaw got attached to her. Now it's Pawpaw's baby. So
Scrappy and Zelda.
yeah, so he went and had her fixed.
She's a good watchdog.
I guess that's all for this one. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.